Hello guys, welcome to Joey's Fun Lab. And look what me and my dad did this to the 3D printer. We did this. It's a pencil. You just like put it and then and you could even like put this like stuff on it. Build it.
Okay. Oh.
Then you put it in here and then you put it.
Nice. Yeah.
Can you get it back?
Or put it back on?
Or take it out.
Yeah.
Guys, this is made of recycled products. Where people recycle water bottles, they make it to a school for my printer. This is really heavy. This is recycled plastic. Here, ELA.
Okay.
And this is going to my 3D printer. And it creates pencils and like paper.
You printed that too?
Yes.
And then you painted it.
And then we painted.
Let me see. I can't see it because of this.
Oh, you forgot. You need to put like buttons.
Oh yeah. You create your own toys with recycled materials.
Yeah.
All right.
Hi, everybody. Like and subscribe.